Kerala SSLC result 2021 to be announced today. Candor International School announces outstanding IBDP results for class of 2021. Over 800 Delhi government teachers completed TESOL English language program, says Manish Sisodia. NTA introduces changes in NEET UG exam pattern, provides internal choice in questions. Dharmendra Pradhan reviews digital initiatives of Education Ministry. Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University signs MOU to train and place students in Japan. JEE Main 2021 admit card released for Session 3. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Kerala Pariksha Bhavan will declare Class 10 or SSLC exam results today, that is the 14th of July. According to official information, Kerala Education Minister V. Shivankutty will officially announce the results at 2 p.m, after which students can check their scores on the official websites. Kerala is among a few states that conducted board exams this year amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. While the theory papers were conducted as per schedule, information technology practical exams had to be cancelled. After the announcement of results, the board will inform about the scrutiny process and compartment exam. The board is also expected to announce SSLC topper. Candor International School, Bangalore has proudly announced outstanding IBDP results for the class of 2021. The students have earned a comprehensive range of excellent individual scores with a composite median that epitomizes excellence, hard work, and perseverance even during adverse circumstances. This year, Candor International School secured a 100% diploma against the world average of 89%. 73% of students have scored 2 or 3 bonus points in their core components, TOK, CAS, and EE. On converting these results into Indian transcripts, more than 50% of students have scored above 89%. Kriti Bhargav and Anushka Ghosh have broken all previous records and scored 44 on 45. The impressive achievements move further with Divya Prakash scoring 43 out of 45, Akash Kote 42 on 45, Ankul Boon 42 on 45, while Austin David Paletara and Zainab Saida scored 40 on 45. Over 800 Delhi government teachers have completed the TESOL English Language Certification Program conducted in collaboration with the US Embassy, said the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Tuesday. The Delhi government, in collaboration with the Regional English Language Office, US Embassy, launched the program in 2017. With the onset of COVID-19, the training shifted online. Sisodia said, through the TESOL program, more than 800 teachers have received quality training. When I interacted with teachers who completed this course, they told me how this program helped them understand how intelligently English can be learned as a language and not only as a subject. We all have been deeply concerned about what the future brings for our students with the ongoing pandemic, but I am rest assured that programs like these will train our students, who will impact lakhs of students and reassure them that they deserve quality education no matter what it takes. This program has solidified every teacher's command over the English language, and I am certain our students will benefit plenty from this. The National Testing Agency has introduced changes in the exam pattern of NEET UG 2021. As per the earlier exam pattern, the test comprised of 180 objective-type questions from physics, chemistry, and biology to be answered on the specially designed machine-readable sheet using a ballpoint pen. The test pattern of NEET UG 2021 comprises of 2 sections. Each subject will consist of 2 sections. Section A will consist of 35 questions and Section B will have 15 questions. Out of these 15 questions, candidates can choose to attempt any 10 questions. So the total number of questions and utilization of time will remain the same. To rationalize the decision of reduction in the syllabus by various school education boards, the NTA has taken the decision to provide choice in Section B for each of the 4 subjects. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has reviewed the digital education initiatives of the Education Ministry. Senior officials of the ministry briefed him about the various initiatives undertaken by the Education Ministry in the recent years, like the PM eVidya, National Digital Education Architecture, Swayam, and others. Ministers of State Annapurna Devi, Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, and Dr. Subhash Sarkar also attended the meeting. Pradhan emphasized the importance of leveraging technology in education and said that technology would help in achieving the goals of an open, inclusive, and accessible education. A vibrant digital ecosystem in education will expand learning opportunities for the students, spur innovation and entrepreneurship in the education sector, he said. He also noted that the COVID-19 pandemic necessitated a shift towards a digital medium of education and assured that digital initiatives taken by the ministry to ensure continuity of education will be further strengthened and institutionalized. Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University on Tuesday entered into an exclusive partnership with Hinode Foundation to implement the Technical Intern Training Program to train, skill and place the youth of India, especially those in Delhi, in Japan. This partnership aims to transform the skill ecosystem in India through an exchange program between young individuals from India and Japan. The intent is to provide the best opportunities for the youth of India to work there. The trainees who are selected to go to Japan under this program gain skills benchmarked to international standards and will enjoy salary packages throughout their internship in Japan. Through this partnership with Hinode, DSEU is hoping to train as many young people as possible in varied job categories. Admit cards for the third session of the Joint Entrance Examination Main 2021, scheduled for July, have been released. Students can visit the official website to download the hall ticket. There are 3 links on the official website to download the admit card, and students can click any one link, log in with application number and date of birth, and download the admit card. The National Testing Agency has also extended the application deadline for the 4th session of the Engineering Entrance Test up to July 14th. JEE Main 2021 Session 3 will be conducted between July 20th and 25th, and the 4th session is scheduled for July 27th to August 2nd. In the 3rd session, only engineering aspirants will take the exam, but in Session 4, planning and architecture candidates will also appear. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.